Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we've got something extra special in store for you. We're drawing our very own woodpecker. Get ready for a fun and cute cartoon character that's bound to put a smile on your face. We're kicking things off by giving life to our woodpecker with those adorable eyes. One small, one big, squished together. And with two eyeballs looking right at you. Can't you just feel the mischief brewing? And what's a woodpecker without its iconic crown? We're making it sharp and pointy, complete with those cute little feather edges. Our woodpecker is ready to rock. Now, let's add a smiling beak right in the front. It's like our woodpecker is always ready for a good chuckle. Oh, and don't forget those proud brows hanging in the air. This woodpecker is a smarty pants for sure. With a thin neck, a well-defined body, and feathers on the side, our woodpecker is standing tall and proud. Tail on the side, he's ready for action. But wait, there's more. We've got some wooden logs lying around. And guess what? Our naughty woodpecker has been at work, pecking and drilling holes in every log. He's positively beaming with pride. And to give that perfect feel, we've got leaves gracefully flowing around. Just picture it, our woodpecker in the midst of a woodland wonderland. Now, let's dive into the most exciting part, adding vibrant colors to our masterpiece. We're painting that beak a warm, sunny yellow. The crown? It's rocking a bright shade of red, making our woodpecker the king of the forest. The neck, feathers, and tail are wearing the regal color of purple. Our woodpecker is a true royalty. As for those wooden logs, classic brown is the way to go. And the leaves? Well, they're dressed in the vintage autumn charm of yellows and reds. To set the stage, we're sprinkling some wood shavings around. It's like our woodpecker has been hard at work creating his masterpiece. Now, before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this fun and quirky drawing journey, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more fantastic art projects, make sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure, and until next time, keep creating and stay artsy.